Aching na mo? Aching! Bihit man kayo akong aching, oy. Bihit man na among aching, oy. Morning guys! It's Tuesday and umuulan na naman. Grabe, yung ulan from kahapon pa hanggang Tuesday na ba tayo ngayon? No, Wednesday na tayo ngayon. Wednesday na tayo ngayon. From Monday hanggang ngayon, laging umuulan araw-araw. Sana walang bagyo. I have my coffee right here. Ito yung brown and creamy from Nescafe as usual. Tsaka, pita crackers tayo ngayon. Kasi hanggang ngayon wala pa rin, otap. Otap ba? Yeah, otap yung tawag doon. Ano ba nangyari sa utak ko? Tingnan natin yung aking upload kasi na-stop yung upload na to. Oh my gosh! 622 minutes. Na-stop siya kasi si Merwin sabi niya, stop niya yung wifi para makapaglaro siya kagabi. Pagising ko, stop pa rin yung wifi tapos wala nang naglalaro. Nakalimutan niyang ibalik. Anyway, 622 minutes. Are you kidding me? Ano ba? This needs to be up to date. Nakakainis. Eto na naman tayo. Hi guys! I'm working on my video schedule. Kasi alam nyo ba, nauubusan ako ng products na i-review. Lahat na ng products na meron ako na kailangan kong i-review. Parang na-review ko na. I did a review yesterday, yung Essence na lipstick. Na-review ko siya. I know, right? Another lipstick review. And then, I'm gonna review the Cherish lipstick as well. Yung tinatawag ko siyang Cherish, pero shade yung Cherish. Yung Ever Balana Pro Long Wear na lipstick. I will review that as well. Tapos, may isang Revlon na lipstick pa ako na gusto kong i-review. So, ito. Ooh, sneak peek of my makeup collection. And yes, I will do that video really soon. Oh, maraming nag-request actually na i-review ko yung MAC na replica lipstick. I should do that. Or you know what? I should do like a makeup look using... Nah, I was gonna say I'm gonna do like a makeup look using all SG Authentic product, pero wala naman akong foundation na SG Authentic or whatever. Ito ba yun? Oh, ito yun. Oh, ito pala yun. Tapos ito. So, kailangan kong i-review ran. Ano ba? Hindi na ako marunong magsalita. Kailangan kong i-review to. Kasi hindi ko pa to siya nagagamit. Na-swatch ko na siya, pero hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Oh my gosh. That looks really freaking pretty. Natapos ko na yung lista ko ng January favorites ko, you guys. I have it right here. Kailangan ko siyang ilista kasi in-order ko siya. Like, skincare una, ganon-ganon. And, by the way, nakalimutan ko kasi nilista ko nga siya, diba? And naalala ko, you guys, hindi ko pa pala to nasabi sa inyo. I'm wearing the Sephora Scented Nail Polish na binigay sa akin ni Julian. My goodness, you guys. As in, it works. It really freaking works. Akala ko hindi siya magwo-work kasi kung amuyin mo siya from the nail polish bottle, parang regular nail polish yan yung amoy niya. Parang, yeah, meron siyang kakaibang amoy aside from the nail polish na regular amoy. Pero, parang nangingibabaw pa rin yung nail polish na amoy. Pero you guys, pag nilagay mo na siya sa kamay mo, sa kuko mo, as inaamoy mo talaga yung strawberry. Strawberry yung scent niya. And until now, ilang beses na ako naligo. I painted my nails on Sunday and ano na nga tayo ngayon? Wednesday na tayo ngayon. Ang bango-bango pa rin niya. As in, yung amoy talaga nagsistay ng bonggang-bongga. Sobra. So, yung pink is what I have on my 4 fingers. Tapos yung sa ring finger ko, trinay ko to kasi it's supposed to be a top coat pero hindi ko na lang siya pinatungan ng gold kasi mas gusto ko yung pink lang na plain na look. But yeah, yung dito, iniba ko, yung beryl ko na OMG nail polish. Lagi ko inaamoy yung nails ko para akong addict. Super thank you, Julian. This is what happens when you brush your teeth without removing your lipstick first. Look at that. So I need a tissue. Just finished doing my makeup. Kanina pa sana ako magfi-film ng video. Kaya lang, I've been watching Tana Mojo? Yeah, Tana Mojo's videos. And ngayon ko lang discover yung channel niya. As in, sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya, you guys. She does rants and ang dami niyang foul languages, but I don't know, I like watching her. I will leave her channel link below. Ang first video na napanood ko sa kanya is the latest video niya, yung sinira ng worker yung iPhone niya, basta something like that. And I just started watching some of her videos and yeah. But I need to stop kasi I need to film my favorites video. And then maybe later I will film another video. I have on my lips, I know, right? Really bright pink. I have the True Lips lip liner in the shade number 57 love this lip liner, you guys, and it's right here because it's part of my favorites. So yes, I will go ahead and film. Oh, by the way though, my goodness, internet today is freaking amazeballs. Like, seriously, I just started uploading this maybe like 20 minutes ago, and you guys, first time ever, 103 minutes, 22%, 22%. Oh gosh, that just makes me so happy. And 102, as in pababa siya, hindi siya pataas. Yay! I finished filming 2 videos, you guys. Suot ko yung shirt na natanggap ko from 95 Tag Shop. I believe they're linked below. Matagal ko na ito natanggap, and pangalawang beses ko na ata itong nasuot. Yeah. Really nice, diba? Floral ang ganap natin. Yeah, nagpalit lang ako kasi nag-film ako ng isa pang video. So, 2 videos yung na-film ko today. And nagpalit ako ng lip liner. Ito is shade number, hindi ko na maalala, basta isa sa mga Mino lip liners again. Bongga, you guys! Na-upload na yung video ko. Sobrang lakas ng internet today. I'm so happy. So, uploaded na yan. Ready na yung video ko for tomorrow. And then, hindi ko pa na-edit yung favorites ko kasi may ginawa ako kanina. Ito, I posted this on Facebook and on my Instagram. Sa akala ko, bagong release to, you guys. Kasi, ngayon ko na nakita to, hindi pala. Mali pala ako. Kasi maraming nag-comment na they've been using it for months. So, nagkamali ako. Pero na-edit ko na naman yung post ko. But, yeah, ito yung mga na-receive ko from iWhite. I will do a haul, and as usual, magi-giveaway ako kasi hindi ko naman mauubos lahat ng ito. So yeah, I will do that soon. I'm wearing this long sleeve again. Lagi na ako naka-long sleeve. I mean, hindi naman lagi. Kahapon naka-long sleeve ako kasi malamig these days because of the rain. So I have this. This is from Cotton On, I believe. And then, yung suot ko kahapon, yung very cute na may puppy. Yung baby pink na may puppy. Ano yan, sa Forever 21. Ang ganda. I will go sa kabilang bahay. And, hala. Oh, baliw. Akala ko ano nangyari sa computer ko. Pupunta ako ng kabilang bahay. I will edit a video. Let's go. Kumakain si Mark ng puwet ng manok. Oo. Suka. Say hi. Yummers. Hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan. 5 pesos isang stick.
Ha?
Kwet nga! Kwet lagi naman, no? Nihintay namin ang aming kwet-kwet. Ooh, yummers. Wait. May kwek-kwek ba sa Manila, Kel? Merong kwek-kwek sa Manila? Parang yung sa kanila yung malalaki. I'm gonna take care of this. Oh yeah, dami. Good luck sa akin ito. Pero okay lang yan. Let's do it! Look at you guys. Mas dumami pa sila. Meron pa kasi palang nakasampay. So, kinuha ko na lahat. Tapos, yung gagawin ko is babaliktarin ko lang lahat ng clothes. Tapos, parang ginanito ko yung unang batch eh. Parang dito yung kay Marlon at saka dito yung kay Maywin at saka kay Mark. Marlon, tsaka kay Jovelyn, akin at saka kay Miss, Papa, tsaka kay Mama. Parang ginugroup-group ko na sila para pag tupi ko, madali na lang. So yeah, babaliktarin ko lang itong mga to. Hey guys, napagod ako. Kinuha ko lahat to sa sampayan. Ang bigat-bigat. So yeah, let's do it. Kasi hindi ko to matatapos kasi kailangan ko pa magluto ng dinner. And magsi-7 na. I'm cooking sardinas with egg, you guys. And ginamit ko yung yung olive oil. Pero inubos ko na siya. As inubos na siya. Merong nag-comment sa previous vlog ko na masama daw siya. Pero yeah, hindi ko alam. Ano bang oil? Merong nagsabi na yung canola oil daw yung the best. Maliit. Konti lang daw yung fat nun. But yeah, gamit ko yung pang ng pasta. Kasi wala kaming wooden spoon or yung na pwede dito sa pan na to. Ito lang. Oh well. Time to wash my face, and today I will be using, as in malapit na talaga maubos ang aking Innisfree, as in konting-konti na lang to. I do have my Himalaya right here, but I wanna use my, asan na ba yun? Yung facial wash ko. Ay, parang ubos na ata yung facial wash ko from iWhite, yung sachet. So, okay, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. Sana meron pa akong makuha dito. Oh my God! Gagamitin ko ang aking Lancome Genifique Serum. And while nag-a-apply ako ng aking serum, I will do shoutouts! Oh yes! Let me see, sana yun. Where are you now? Need you now. Mas gusto ko yung consistency ng V10 Plus na serum kaysa dito. Yung V10 parang may pagka-gel na may pagka-watery na hindi ko maintindihan. Basta mas gusto ko yun kasi ito medyo may pagka-watery siya ng bonggang-bongga. I'm gonna start with Maybelline Platon, Cateril Angeles, Jade Hernandez Lozada, and to her baby boy na si Chris Gabriel, Rowena Barreto, hi! Julia Patricia, Aubrey Cayanes, Charlotte Tumibay, Pretty Akira, PJ Honey Rama, hi! Shana Marie Espino, Jeanette Paler, and her husband Ruel Paler. Magta 10 years na sila this year, you guys. Bonggang-bongga kayong dalawa. Hi to Gina Lu, Teresa Penarubia. Hi also to her family and her boyfriend na si Alfie. And then hi to Angel Kitty 0402. And then hi to Patricia Nose. And lastly, hi to Clarice Kate Corre. Thank you so much. Siya yung gumawa ng YouTube banner ko. Hindi ko pa nga lang napalitan yung YouTube banner ko, but papalitan ko siya really soon. But yeah, gumawa siya ng YouTube banner for me. So thank you so much. I really like it. And that's it for this vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching as usual. And thank you so much for 10,000 freaking subscribers. 10,000 na kayo. Ang dami-dami nyo na, nakakaloka kayo. Yeah, sobrang thank you guys. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye!